Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Render. On a weekly time frame chart, Render is breaking out another very big rising wedge pattern, and right now you can see that it is moving above the resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, it is moving down to retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. However, it is a quite long-term resistance, therefore we should wait for a closing above this resistance on the 7 days time frame chart, and so far this candlestick is not closed, and within the next 48 hours approximately it will be closed above the resistance. Or if it will be not able to close above the resistance, then we can expect a major pullback up to the support of the wedge. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this huge breakout from this very big down channel. You can see that we have already broken out this channel in the month of October 2022. And when it was moving inside this channel, even in those days, I've been telling you that once the price end will be able to break out this resistance from this channel, then we can expect a very massive and long-term rally. And the target, by the way, the technical target was here at the top of the channel, and you can see that price end is almost there. And from this low of May 2022 up till this high, so far it has rallied almost 3,000%. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared a few days ago on 15th of Feb 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 64% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared on 15th of Feb 2024. That was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Render completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied almost 64%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern on 9th of November 2023 that was completing on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup, a buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed the leg here, entered the buying zone. Then we had a very massive reversal, and it rallied more than 111%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Render. And previously, you can see it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And here in the month of October 2022, we broke it out. Then we retested the previous resistance of the channel as support. Then price and geared up, but got stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern. But still, it was moving to the upside. You can see still this bull run is continue. And now it is breaking out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. You can see that we got 2 rejections here and 3 more rejections here, almost 1 or 2 more rejections here. And right now it is breaking out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern and this quite long-term resistance of $6.50 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here, and now again it can work as a resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price line has broken out both resistance together, this rising wedge pattern's resistance and $6.50, and now it is moving down for a retest. I'm expecting that after a retest it can start the next bullish reversal from there, and this time the resistance of this wedge and this previous support is definitely here at $6.50, and from there we can expect that it can start another reversal to the upside. By the way, the target for this breakout from the channel was here at the top of the channel between $8 to $10. However, if we take a look at the target for this huge breakout from this big rising wedge pattern, that is a quite big target. That is approximately at $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.